Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today we have our 2025 Ram 1500 SST, and we are putting a tailgate protector on the back right there. So let's open the tailgate. Okay, so with the tailgate down, there are a couple of, I believe they're Torx screws that are here that we are basically going to undo, and then we'll put the, and I already got a scratch here, put the tailgate liner on. So let's get that going. Okay, so that is a T30 Torx. So let's get these out. Alright, so those are the installation instructions. And I was kind of surprised this came in a rolled up like it was, but it is what it is. And I'm fighting with it already, so just keep that in mind. And then we want to line this panel up. It looks like that, so I can put this one back in, it looks like. Okay, so since this was rolled in the box, we gotta kind of let that settle down. And each corner, this one and the opposite corner, we are gonna put the bolts back in. I took too many out. And then we're going to lay the cover down. And then it's going to sit like this, and this hopefully will settle down after it's been sitting for a while, especially once it gets warmer. But we're going to basically put the screws in, as long as they don't drop any. So that'll help hold that down. Okay, so this side's sitting up a little bit, so I'm going to put some heavier stuff on it just to let that settle down on either side. So I'm going to end up putting something heavy on this overnight just so it settles down on either side, but it looks like it's starting to relax already. That's just from being rolled up, but it's a nice good fit. Let me get you an overview of the camera. So anyway, just kind of more of a shot on that so you can see how that kind of sits up, but I'm going to put like case of water or something on the other side just to weight it down overnight. But yeah, I mean, so that's going to be good once it relaxes, and then we'll be able to close the bed no problem. So anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.